This quick guide explains how to buy shares of Molten Ventures Plc, a London venture capital firm focused on early-stage technology companies. Molten Ventures is listed on the LSE PLC under the ticker GROW.L. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To purchase shares, you will need a broker account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually by uploading an ID document, and add funds before placing any trades. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker GROW.L to find the company listing quickly. Make sure you select the Molten Ventures Plc entry that trades on the LSE to locate the correct stock. On the asset page, you will see basic company information and a price chart that shows recent performance. Double-check the company name, market LSE PLC, and the ticker GROW.L to confirm this is the right share. To buy the stock, click Invest or Trade. Enter the amount you want to invest and review the order details, including any fees, before confirming. If the market is closed, your order may remain pending until it opens. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the purchase. Once executed, your position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it over time. A link to the example broker is provided in the description if you want to follow the same steps.